Hello, my name is Richard. Today we're going to look at ECM Toolbox workflow for a manufacturing company. To start, let's take a look at their requirements. They had a hard copy form that they wanted to route around for review and approval. They wanted to turn this into an electronic e-form. While doing that, they want to be able to add attachments, send it to multiple people for review at once, have annotations, add page revisions. They like to modify the form during the workflow. If required, sometimes send to a client for an actual signature, and make this a fully audited process. ECM Toolbox workflow does all that, and let's take a look and see how that occurs. So we'll start with a level 10. What I want to do is I want to tell the system I'm about to create a workflow, and I create new ENFN. So it goes out there. What it's going to do is going to generate a new form for me to fill out. It does, and it's going to be ID 10026. Let's open up and take a look at it. I go out there, and this is the start of my workflow. Now you might say, Richard, this doesn't look like that form. Well, let's take a look at this a little closer. This is the form itself, and what we did was we took all the questions and we put those questions over here on this right tab, along with these other tabs to be completed during the process. So I'll show you. We have this information in here, and once this is completed, it becomes an e-form. Still more questions, Richard, but it still doesn't look like an e-form. Well, let's go take a look now at what a final workflow test looks like, so you get a better view of that. Here is the final task before the workflow is fully completed. You'll see this is exactly what that form looks like and has been completed. All the data from here has been captured and submitted into the system as part of the workflow inside a nice looking PDF. So let's go back to the beginning and continue our workflow process. We open up the workflow, and what we see here is a page holder. What we can do now is we can go out there and decide what page or what attachments do we want to include inside this workflow. And we're going to select an engine part. We open it up and we upload it. This now is part of the attachment of the e-form that people are reviewing and commenting on. So let's go complete our form here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use one standard answer for all my questions to make filling out the form quicker for the demo purpose. We have drop downs and other ways to make the process even faster, such as we can do date pickers on a calendar. For this workflow process, they wanted the person who's completed the form to determine who the form should get routed to for each role. And for the purpose to make it a workflow faster, again, I will use my name. I can now also go in and add other sections about the revision history, description, reasons, and notes. This way, all of my questions will be answered. If I want to see the history so far, who's looked at it, it's very simple and very basic. It's all going to be me, and this history is continuously tracked and presented back. Once I'm done, I hit submit, and it'll get sent to the next level, which is level 20. I go here, I can open up the workflow. You'll see there all of my questions have been answered with RT130. If I needed to go back and change it and maybe call it RT130A, I can do that, and my part has been submitted there. Okay, now from here I hit approve, and this is where the parallel processing takes place. It went to level 30, 40, 50, and 60. You'll see each one of these has 4, because there's 4 pending tasks for each person or each role. And I'm going to open up a level 30 and start working on it. So what we see already is that the indexes are not editable. They didn't want the people in these roles to be able to edit it. They did want them to be able to go see it. They can go forward. They can add or attach a new page they want to. Or maybe they need to print this out and send a copy to a customer for a signature with the e-form. What we do now is we just hit generate. This goes out, and what it'll do is it compiles all of the e-form information and creates a new form inside of ApplicationXtender. If we want to send that to the customer, we can just hit ECM Toolbox, click on Related Docs, and that'll show us which forms are inside there. Here's the one customer to sign. I click to open that, and here's my document. I can print it out, or I can email it to the customer. As simple as that. Once I'm done here at level 30, I hit Approve, and the workflow will look to see if the other workflow tasks have been completed. You'll see now this is 3 and 444 because they're waiting for these ones to be parallel processed. And once they are done, they go to level 70, and then from level 70 to 80, and finally to level 90, which is active. Let's take a look at what that would look like at the end. You see code here is RT115. That's what all the questions have been answered to for this workflow process here. If I go look at the next document, it's going to be the attachment that I did add. The document after that is going to be if I have put any comments in there, and the last section will be showing the audit history. Thank you for your time. I think you see that the ECM Toolbox is very powerful and could help you with your workflows also. Have a great day.
Interested in what CASO can do for you? Subscribe to our channel now and check out these videos.